Hello and welcome from the Hanover Trade Show. I am here with Juha Stenberg from Ensto Chago, and we will talk a bit about infrastructure made in Finland. How common is electric mobility in Finland, especially considering that the distances in the north are quite far?
Well, the EVs and plug-in hybrids are catching up in Finland, and especially in the north. With north, I mean Finland, Sweden, and Norway. Of course, we have two issues there, which is the distance and the cold weather, that both have an impact on the electric vehicles. The plug-in hybrids are more selling better both in Sweden and Finland, whereas in Norway the pure EVs are quite popular. Exactly. In fact, Norway is one of the top countries when it comes to the EVs. And regarding the distance, of course, there are doubts about the range of EVs among the consumers, and that's why many consider plug-in hybrid a very good alternative, because then they can charge the car and go to the work with the electric motor, and then if they go to the summer cottage or somewhere else, they can rely also on their combustion engine.
So you already mentioned Norway, you mentioned range anxiety, but is a trip in my purely electric car from Helsinki and Oslo already a possibility?
In fact, it is, because we cooperate with different mobility operators, and there is a mobility operator in Scandinavia, Fortum Charge and Drive, and they have this green corridor that connects the capitals of Finland, so Helsinki, Stockholm, and Norway, Oslo. So you can drive with your electric vehicle and fast charge it on the way.
And what kind of public charging solutions does Ensto Chago offer?
Well, I would say that we have quite full range of chargers. We have chargers for so-called AC chargers that are normally along the streetways in cities, shopping centers, at the restaurants, parking lots. Then we have also DC charging, so fast charging that is faster. But of course, it doesn't always. The fast charging is not always possible for example, plug-in hybrids. So we have a very wide range of solutions that we have, because we have been on the market already 6 years. So we are one of the veterans. So, and we see that we are now introducing our third generation of chargers, and we are extremely focused on delivering new services, because once the cars are becoming more common, the services are in fact more important, not just the hardware, but the services.
So here in Germany, people are already thinking about taking it to the level after the next, and thinking about charging stations along the motorways that deliver about 200 kilowatts. You have in your product range 20 kilowatts and 50 kilowatts. Where do you see those fit?
Well, actually, I see these technologies that they have their own role. I mean, if you talk about fast charging, like 200 kilowatts or 50 kilowatts, it's normally something that you would like to do while you are almost sitting in your car. So the gasoline station by the autobahn is very good location. And then when it comes to for example, our solution for 20 kilowatt fast charging, yes, it takes a little bit longer, but the suitable position for that charger is, for example, restaurants, shopping centers, and some city areas. And the benefit of the 20 kV fast charger compared to the bigger ones is that it requires actually quite a lot less from the energy network. So it's easier to install, and the total cost is a lot lower. But of course, the other side, it's a little bit slower, but I would say that they all have their role in the whole charging network that we are now building.
But we won't see any Ensto Chago solutions with 200 kilowatts along the motorways anytime soon?
Too early to say. I mean, like this exhibition shows that new products are coming on the market, and the development is now catching up. And of course, we will follow the development. But our thinking is that we probably will partner with some good partners that have a suitable hardware, and then our competence and advantage is that we offer services like maintenance, support, preventive maintenance, and so on, that kind of services for a wider range of hardware, which might then also include these 200 kV fast chargers.
And in terms of countries, you're already active in quite a lot of them. Do you have your eyes set on any new markets in the coming years?
Yeah, that is true that since we are part of Ensto Group, which is they have operations in over 20 European countries. Of course, it's a natural gateway for us to reach the customers. So we will certainly focus on the European market. But on the other hand, we do see that some opportunities are arising outside of Europe, and those will be then analyzed, I would say, case by case. But definitely at the moment we are focusing the European market, because the European market is now catching up, and there is a lot to be done by several different suppliers and hardware providers.
Well, thank you very much, and I hope you have a nice couple of last days here at the Hanover Trade Show.
Thank you.